Hello, my people. This is the first video of 3 for chapter 6-5. Sorry, I'm out again. My daughter made me sick. Don't you worry, though. I'll hopefully see you on Wednesday. So the first thing we're going to do is define scientific notation. So scientific notation is a compact way of writing a very large or very small number. It's used by scientists and mathematicians. So pause this if you need to get that written down. So I have this very large number right here, 284,000. I want to write that in scientific notation. To do that, I can only have one number in front of the decimal. So that means I'm going to have to move my decimal. Right now it's at the end of the number. I'm going to have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So my new number is 2.84 times 10, and I moved it 5 places to the left. All right, I'm going to do the same thing with this very, very small number. And instead of moving my decimal to the left, I'm going to move it to the right. So it's right here. I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I stop when I have one number in front of the decimal. I moved it over 6. That is a very small number, which means that my answer needs to be a negative number. So 2.68 to the negative 10. So let's move all the rest of these numbers and make them smaller or bigger. So we're going to, this is a big number, so it'll have a positive exponent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.5 times 10 to the 7th. 2 is a small number, so we'll have a negative exponent. 1, 2, 3, 8.52 times, 10 to the negative 3. All right, our next one, it's a bigger number. So 2.08 times 10 to the second. This one's a small one. 4.0 times 10 to the negative 2. This is a big number, so we got to move it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9.07 times 10. I moved it over 5 places. This is a very small number. I have a negative exponent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.1 times 10 to the negative 6. So that's how I go from standard form, which is a normal number, to scientific notation. Now I want to do the opposite. I want to go from scientific notation to standard form. So this number right here, this little bitty 2, tells me that I need to move my decimal 2 places, and it's positive, so I need to make it a bigger number. So 1, 2, so my new number is 254. This one is a negative 2, which means I'm going to make it a smaller number. So I'm going to go 1, 2. So I'll have 0.067. I put zeros in all the bumps that don't have anything in them. So this one's a 5. It's going to make the number bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, with 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 910,000. All right, this is a negative 4, so I'm going to make it a smaller number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got my decimal. 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, and then 5, 8, 8. I got to make this one bigger by 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 4, 0. Got to make this one smaller by 1. Scoot it over 1. 0.38. All right. I hope that makes sense. I'm doing this in 3 little videos because they're easier to upload. So this is the first one. Go ahead and watch the second and then the third, and then you can do the practice. Thanks.